After several rumors emerged some time ago, Microsoft finally officially released Windows 11. The launch event was carried out virtually Friday early morning Indonesian time. Microsoft officially announced the presence of Windows 11. Windows 10 users can upgrade their operating system to Windows 11 for free. Microsoft has finally officially launched Windows 11, the latest operating system successor to Windows 10. Through its official blog, Microsoft said that the Windows 11 operating system began to be released in the holiday season this year, possibly around November or December, and will continue until 2022. The Windows 11 upgrade will be available via a free upgrade for eligible Windows 10 PCs and new PCs starting this holiday. Citing the official Microsoft website, Friday, the minimum standard for your computer must be a 64-bit processor with a minimum speed of 1 GHz and dual cores, then 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage space. In addition, your laptop screen must also have a minimum size of 9 inches with a 720p HD resolution. Another requirement to get Windows 11 is that your computer must support UEFI, Secure Boot, and Trusted Platform Module 2.0. Also, the graphics card must be compatible with DirectX 12 application programming interface or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. Windows 11 itself brings many improvements such as a simpler interface, Windows Store, with a new look, improved performance, and multitasking experience. This operating system is also promised to be more efficient and more battery efficient. Quoting The Verge, Friday, Microsoft is using Intel Bridge technology to bring the Android application experience to Windows 11. Once installed, the application will appear on the taskbar alongside the Windows default application. Other selected Android apps will also be able to appear in the app list when the user presses the Start button. In conclusion, Windows 11 will really be released this year until 2022, with various interesting and multifunctional features in it.